back at Union Station again. Gonna start a new adventure. I'm gonna go down to San Diego to go see my dormmate / friend. He's hosting a hangout / party at his place in San Diego, and I'm just gonna go see what's there. We don't know what's gonna go on. I'm hoping I can fly a bit of FPV somewhere. I brought my mini quad with me just in case, but still really don't know what to expect. So I guess here goes. Well, I guess it's the next day, the morning. Just woke up and I hope you can go fly today, so that's that.
It's tough to keep it on here, 6 to rip it off.
Well, me and Dylan now at this more sparsely popular part of the beach, and I'm gonna go fly a pack. This is just a small little section. Just hit my quad and just fly this small section. I guess that's it. Too many dogs, and there's just a lot of people here right now, so we're gonna go somewhere else to go fly. So that's that, I guess. Well, just got back to this place and gonna go fly again. Yes. Well, just an update. I lost my drone into the tall grass. I'm gonna use the RSSI here to track it. So it should be somewhere out here, so. Alright, I think I found it. This tall grass is annoying. Oh, found it. We good, we good. Yeah! Alright, we got it. Luckily it was only at the edge. I guess that's it. Gotta go back, I guess. Well, I guess that's it. On the train back to LA now. And that was a really nice 24 hours out in San Diego. So I guess that's it.